Hello and welcome back to the Wedding School. Now, I thought I'd talk to you about having a career in wedding planning. Now, it's the new year and I've been getting a lot of emails through asking, where to start and what qualifications do you really need to be a wedding planner? With everything that happened last year, definitely this year we've had influx of the amount of inquiries and the amount of weddings that we'll be planning, which is absolutely amazing. So I thought I'd share with you some of my knowledge on how you can get into the industry. So number one, what exact qualifications do you need? Well, I'm only talking from my point of view, and when I have potential candidates across my desk, I like to have some sort of qualification, whether it be an online or a university degree, but also work experience is so incredibly important. So if the candidate has had some sort of experience, not only in weddings, but events in general, I think that is definitely plays a really good part in them or me considering them for a role. Another question I get asked is, if perhaps someone's working through the day, they're looking for something online at night which they can study, and what would I recommend? Well, I think definitely through everything we went through last year, there's definitely lots of opportunities for online learning, and it's definitely encouraged. There is a variety of courses out there. We're in fact creating our own here at white+white, which is very exciting. But I think, anything that you come across, I think anything that you study is worthwhile. That will enhance, your knowledge about the industry. And thirdly, another question I get asked is whether, a certificate, from an online course, is that enough, or, should people be really looking at master's degrees and bachelor's from universities? And, as I always say, I think it's great to have study as a background to form the basis of your knowledge, but it's so incredibly important to have that real life experience. So I would recommend that you seek out your local wedding planners or event planners and ask them if they need some help in the form of maybe an unpaid internship. You could just do a couple of hours on a Saturday, things like that. So you really get a hands-on experience on what the job is really about. And also you'll have a reference or a referee. So when you are looking for a job, you have someone that they can call upon to ask about you and what your skills are. So yeah. Lastly, I think it's important to seek out your own resources and courses and see what's available, and sort of make the decision based on on your research. Here at white+white, we have a variety of guides, ebooks to help you along your way. So we have Life of Wedding Planner, which was really great. It talks about life, of course, as a wedding planner, but also as a business owner as well, if that's something that you want to consider. And we've also got how to plan and style ebooks, and also tutorials that are available in our shop. So we've tried to stockpile our shop for this year for those looking to enter the wonderful world of weddings.